Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today, students, we are going to do a project work, and this work you have to do during your winter vacations. Following items will be needed for your project work. Firstly, a plate, a marker, glue stick, wool thread, tissue paper, and a scissor. Now we are going to start our project. Firstly, you're going to take a plate and then you are going to make a smiley face. See how we are making a face. Firstly, you're going to make two eyes, a nose, and mouth. Then we are going to take our wool thread and we are going to stick to make hairs. Now we are going to stick hairs. We are sticking hairs with the help of glue, and in the same way you have to do this. Then you have to put tissue paper on your mouth. See how we are doing this. In the same way you have to do this. Now you're going to take a computer paper and place your hand over it to cut your hand. Now cut your hand with the help of the scissors. Under supervision of your any elder, you have to cut your hand. Now place a hand over the tissue paper, and this is how you're going to put the hand while you are cleaning your face or your mouth. Now student, our project is ready and you have to make your project in the same manner. Thank you. Students, there is another task for you which you have to do during your winter vacations. What you have to do, from the page 47 of your SST book, you have to put the following emojis in the respective pictures to show what the actions are going on. For example, I'm explaining in the first picture where the girl is raising the hand. She is waiting for her turn. You have to put a smiley face. While in the next picture where the child is shouting, this is a bad action. So which face you are going to put? Obviously a sad face, because it is not a good action.